9 o'clock na naman. And it's my business time. So, after 9 o'clock or after 5 o'clock, saan kayo pupunta? Ako naman ay nandun ako sa business kong Siomai King and JC Organic Barley. Alam niyo ba guys, na ang Siomai King at ang JC Organic Barley ay iisang company lang. Kaya meron tayong all-in-one business. So, yung 17888 mo, ang dami mo nang maging business. Diba guys? Alam mo ba, itong JC Organic Barley is the best natural supplement of the year 2023. And ang Siomai King natin is the franchising Hall of Famer of the year last 2023. At we know we are ISO certified. Diba?